Hey there, thank you for joining me in this webinar. My name is Tarun Rathi and I am the founder of the Breed Business System. You might be one of the user of the Breed Business System or not. You are the reputed client or not, or maybe you're just a subscriber, but today I am going to show you something so awesome and I am so sure that you're going to like it so much that by the end of this webinar, you are going to make money. All right. There will be some option to buy. If you don't want that, that's not a problem. The process I'm going to show you right now, I'm literally going to show you the live cash that is in front of you to grab. All right, this is not a hype, not a fluff. This is to the point and very straightforward webinar, and I am so excited to present it because me and my friend Abhishek Dwivedi, who is a popular software developer, is working on this project. It wasn't my idea, I was not sure it's even possible or not, but the guy is amazing and his team, they made it possible, and today I am so proud to show you the software called AMZitrage. AMZ, as you know, stands for Amazon, and it's based on an arbitrage system. So in nutshell, this is a buy, sell and repeat system. See, what if you have an opportunity to make $1, $2 or $10, but you can do it thousands of times, or maybe like literally millions of times you can make that kind of money. A small amount, but hundreds of opportunities right in front of you. I'm going to show you in this webinar. So let's get started. Before I'm going to move ahead, I just wanted to give you a little introduction to the whole system, because based on your knowledge, you might be aware about the Amazon selling. This whole process includes selling on Amazon and buying from Walmart. Okay, but the thing is, we made it very simple using a powerful software. Okay, this actually struck me when I saw a report on a popular news channel called Business Insider. It was about a student who used to buy things from Walmart in US and used to sell it on Amazon.com for a little margin. So I was like, if we can do it online, or if we can create something that could show those opportunities right away, then how profitable would that be, right? So let's get started. Amazon, I don't need to introduce you to that, but Amazon is something that is growing rapidly. Millions and millions of buyers around the world, and it will be an estimated of $35 billion market by the end of 2019. So the point is, this is an evergreen market. People are buying. It's the world's biggest buyers marketplace. All right. So AMZitrage is all about sell, sell, sell. No need for inventory. I'm going to explain it to you later on. Before we're going to start, once again, there are some basic things to know about Amazon selling. First of all, for Amazon, to sell on Amazon.com, you need to have a professional plan, which starts, the price is $39.99 per MO, or maybe $39.95 per MO. And with this small fees and some verification, you can start listing product on Amazon.com right away. And you can list unlimited items on Amazon. All right, so it's a very, very small price point to enter in a market of millions of buyers. All right. Second thing, in order for your successful product to sell on Amazon.com, you need to win the buy button. Okay, I'm going to show you how you are going to win the buy button. But the point is, for example, you're selling, suppose you're selling an Apple iPhone X, and there are like 10 sellers of the same phone. So how would Amazon decide that which one is going to get, which one is going to get the buyer's attention? So for that, Amazon simply rotate the top 4 lowest prices. So for example, if price 1 is $60, price 2 is $61, 3 is $64, and 4 is $65, then it doesn't matter what's the price difference is. If it is in the lowest 4, then Amazon is going to rotate the listing, and every time when someone search for an iPhone X on Amazon.com, then Amazon is going to show one of the listing of one of the price from top 4 prices. All right, by top 4 prices simply means the lowest price plus shipping. Okay, next is hot product. Now there is no guesswork here. You don't need to search for hot products here. You are going to be presented with thousands of opportunity right now, and even while I'm making this webinar, our software is constantly grabbing a lot of arbitrage opportunities for you. Okay, but if you want, you can also manually do the whole thing. Okay, getting a software is not necessary. It's just easier to get things done. Okay, once I'm going to show it to you, you will be able to do it even without the software, and you can start making money right after this webinar. I am gonna repeat it many times. Okay, so what do you need? You need a laptop or a Mac or a computer, any computer with internet connection. You need a Walmart account to buy. Okay, you need an Amazon account to sell, and some cash to start. Let's say you can start with as less as $100, but of course the more you can put upfront, the more money you're going to make it. Right, there is no risk of failure in the whole thing. All right, there are some points where of course you need to deal with things like returns and all, but there is no risk involved to you because you're buying from Walmart and selling it on Amazon. So if there is some problem with the Amazon side, then all you need to do is inform the seller, the actual seller on the Walmart side. So you are in between that and easily picking up those low hanging fruits. Okay, so question is, how much can we earn? And answer is unlimited. As long as there are millions of sellers on Amazon.com, there are millions of products on Walmart.com, there is no end to how much you can sell and how much you can earn. It's totally up to you. You know, this would probably be the only system where your efficiency is going to decide how much money you want to earn. You are going to see it right now. All right, so this is about Amazon selling. Now, some basic thing about Walmart buying, because you are going to buy from the Walmart. All you need is a Walmart account. You need to verify it with the credit card and make it ready to buy. This the AMZitrage system, it works worldwide. However, if you're not from USA, then you need to call Walmart. Only then they would process your orders. All right, this is for the verification thing. So these are the basics that you need to know. After that, now I am going to show you the software right away. All right, let's log into the software. This is our software, and let me just log into it. It's a very simple but very straightforward software. So let's see. All right, here we are. First of all, you're gonna see the look on the interface right now. So in the last hour, we have scrapped like thousands of arbitrage opportunity, and there is $58,246 revenue to earn. You know, this is the kind of price differences that is available for now. So if you can buy these products that I'm going to show you from Walmart and sell it on Amazon, you know, first you need to sell it on Amazon, and once sold, then you need to buy it from Walmart. And as you can see, there are different arbitrage opportunity. It is showing, like for example, if you're gonna post this particular one, then you are going to make $5. In this one is mainstay blue pad something, you're gonna make $10. If you go further in the Shark Rocket Ultra Gig, you're going to make $48 in profit right now. All right, currently we have almost 4727 Walmart product in database, and there are total 1000 arbitrage opportunities available. See, the software, it comes up with two options. Number one is called a find custom arbitrage option. That means here all you need to do is you need to put a Walmart product URL, click on search, and it is going to verify the same product with Amazon and let you know if there is an arbitrage opportunity. What's more, what is an arbitrage opportunity? It's like if you find something on Walmart.com for like $10 and the same thing is being sold on Amazon.com for like $18, then that means if you want to list that product for suppose $16, then you are going to make profit of around $5 or $4 minus shipping and Amazon fees. You're going to make $5 and $4 every time that product sells. So once that product sells on Amazon.com, you simply order that product from Walmart and ship it directly to your buyer in USA. Okay, so you don't need to hold any kind of inventory or something. And I am going to show you a demo right now how we are going to do it. All right. This is the interface which is recording different arbitrage opportunities. Let me show you more. Right now, AMZitrage is in beta. That means we are still adding a lot of functions, and that's why it's a pre-launch. Okay. For example, if you're gonna list this laptop, you're gonna make $24. But I look for a smaller, smaller kind of entry price where we don't need to invest much. So let's say something more interesting. Here we're gonna make $3. Here we're gonna make $35. That's a pretty good margin, but let me find something more interesting to show you a demo. Okay, what's this? All right, this is pretty fair. Okay, let me just open this product. It's called Lasco 21. All you need to do is click on refresh. This will automatically refresh the latest prices from both Amazon and Walmart and show you the opportunity, or you can click on view details. This is going to open the interface, and here you can actually see a lot of things. For example, category charge. This shows that once you're going to list this product in Amazon.com, then this, and on this price, RSP is a recommended selling price. However, guys, this could be up and down over the time, so always click on check arbitrage. This will refresh the whole thing, and then you would know the real-time things, and plus you can adjust it as per you. But for example, if you're going to list this product on Amazon.com for $35, all right, then you're going to make a profit of $11 on each sale. So let's see this product on Amazon.com, and let me open this on Walmart.com. All right, so because Walmart is the website where you're going to buy it, so let's see. Now this is so awesome. This particular brand is being sold for $29.76 on Walmart.com. So if you're gonna click on add to cart, so after shipping and after estimated tax and fees on, this is a random US zip code where the item is going to ship, but let's count it in. So the total cost of purchase here is $38.31. All right, now let's check this product on Amazon. Whoa, first of all, Amazon's winning price right now is $354.45. Reason being, this price is winning because, as I told you before, Amazon rotates the top 4 price. Now let's check the top 4 prices by clicking here. These are the top 4 prices. As you can see, the first seller is selling it for $46.88, which is, I think, a genuine price. The another one is doing it for $115. Then the new one just doing it $115, and this one, can you see that this guy is selling it for $222, and the guy have almost 186,000 total ratings. Wow. So Amazon, as you can see, these are the top 4 prices. Amazon automatically rotates these prices, and every time someone comes to the website, then it is going to show one of these prices out of these 4 on the front page. And there are like very few buyers that actually click on these options to check more deals. Typically, buyer just gonna come to the Amazon website. If he likes a product, he gonna click to add to cart and complete the payment. This is the page that typically buyer doesn't come. All right, so if you're thinking that who would buy it for such a big amount, then my friend, you're wrong, because people do make a passive purchase, make a impulsive purchases. They simply go to the website, click on buy now, and buy it away. Okay, so now let's say I have one of my account here. So this is not exactly the account setup for the arbitrage, because this is one of my main product account based on my other product. But let's see if we're gonna list this product on my, first of all, let me see what kind of arbitrage we are getting in here. So as you know, your price is $38.31. So if someone buys it from you, then you need to go to Walmart and you need to pay $38.31. All right, remember this. And if you come to Amazon, you can see the price between 115 222. So what do you think would be the right price here? All right, first of all, we are updating the right price here in the console itself. However, maximum arbitrage is like you can earn around $83 in a single sale. But for now, let's just ignore these facts and let's see right on the website real time. So what if I list this item for suppose $109? All right, because if I'm going to list it anything less than $115, I am going to be immediately in the top 4 price plus shipping option. Okay, so once I am in the top 4 price plus shipping option, then automatically my listing is going to get a lot of views from the potential buyers. All right, so for $109, if I'm going to list it down, and after fees of this category as shown in the software is 15%. So 15%, and suppose $110, then we are approximately we would be paying Amazon $17 in fees. Okay, so $110 minus $17, that means we are going to make approximately of $87 per sale. And guys, our buying price is $38. That means here is like a massive grand opportunity to make $40 to $50 in a sale where you don't need to store anything, no arbitrage, nothing. So how are we going to do it? See, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go to the product details. I'm going to show you a live listing of this product. You can even check it later on. Click on ASIN and you can copy it. And then on Amazon.com, click on list new product. And there paste the ASIN and search for the product. Here it is. So it is showing this product. All right. It got a pretty good sales rank. So it says sell yours. So all you need to do is just click on sell yours. All right. Make sure you click on advanced view. And there price, as we have decided, let's make it $109.95, because anything less than $115 is going to get us in the category. Okay, you can still reduce it if you want. You can keep it in 2-figure. That will still be enough profit, but why not? Let's go with the maximum possible profit. Maximum order quantity is something you can double check on the website. Let's say how many we can order. So if you go to Walmart, click on add to cart. You have already done that. Sorry, we have done that. Okay, it's added 2 times. So let's just make the category 10 and let's see if we can add it 10 times. All right, as you can see, you just added 10 items successfully. That means this particular seller is offering 10 items easily. All right, so that means we have a stock of 10 items. So you can go back to Amazon and simply maximum order quantity is 10. Okay, if you want to be on the safe side, you can still make it 1, because once it is sold you can relist it again. That's not a big deal. Sale price, now this is your profitable price. All you need to do is put it as, no, you don't need to touch sales price, just leave it as it is. We don't need to do anything. Condition, make sure it's new, because we are selling new product. And quantity is the one I was talking about. Let's make it 10. To be safe side, you can make it 1. Handling time, although this particular website shows 2-day shipping, Walmart shows 2-day shipping, but to be on the safer side, what we can do is we can make it, let's say, handling time as 7 days. All right, that's all. Make sure, guys, this is tick, which shows I want to ship this item. Click on save and finish. Just wait for a few seconds, and boom, our item is posted on Amazon.com for sale. So let's see if we can find it on the Amazon top 4 price. Let me just refresh the page, guys. As you know, Amazon is a pretty big site. It might take some time for the product. It's still showing $354. See, as I told you, if a customer gonna come here, many like rarely, or you can say very less customers actually click on this part, new 10 for $46. They rather see the buy box. This is called the buy box, $354. If they like the product, they're gonna click on buy now. All right, they would even never knew that it was available for $46.88. See, that's the magic. But let's just go back and click on new 10 from 46.88. And guys, here we are now the number 2 here. All right, once again, guys, it shows ships from China because my account is not this particular account is not meant for the arbitrage. The one I use it is something I don't want it to show, because of course these are my opportunities, but I will share a method by which you can find these arbitrage accounts and you can actually give a good competition to them by listing the same product for $1 or like 50 cents less, because you will still so what has happened, you can see now our price is in top 4 and the 4th price, that is $222, has been shifted to the 5th position, which simply means that this product is not going to get any views now. It is not in the buy box. We have just outpriced it with our price. We are going to get a lot of views, and guys, as you know, after it's sold for $109.95 and after Amazon fees and everything, we are going to make $40 profit. Now, not every arbitrage is this big, all right? This is one of the rare one, but you are going to find a lot of them. Typically, I aim for anything that gives me profit after fees between $5 to $10. All right, so let's get back to the software. Here we are. Oh man, I love this. Okay, so now we have successfully listed this product and we are good to go. Now let's find, I hope you're following it, because whenever I get too excited, I just, I try to run away faster and faster and faster, but our level of understanding might be different about Amazon, but I love the whole thing, so I'm pretty fast. All right, let me go back and see what else can we find. Sometime, guys, because as I told you, software is in beta and it's ready for the public release yet in few days only, so our developers are still working in day and night, so just bear with me if you see some errors, but for now it's working pretty good. There is one more question: are you able to list all these items? Now guys, technically yes, you should be able to list it, but if your Amazon seller account is very new, then Amazon would restrict you for certain accounts, and even for a specific brand. For example, if a Disney brand, you need to have a category approvals, which simply means that you need to have approval from the Disney or other brands to list their product. But what I do is I simply ignore them, I skip them, I don't list them. I don't need to, because we still have hundreds and thousands of opportunity right in front of us. Why do we need that? However, over the time, if you want to be a big player in the Amazon arbitrage game using this software, then you can contact me. I have certain, let's see, insider details who can get you approved in any of the Amazon category and in any of the Amazon brand for some specific payment. Okay, but for now you don't need to do that, because we still have hundreds and thousands of opportunities here. Right now it's like thousands, but we are going to soon, we're increasing it every day. So let's just check it out with something else. Let's see, what is this? No. Let me see if we can get something more. All you need to do is click on more. As you can see, it's like many arbitrage opportunities, but I just wanted to show some product that is easy to understand, Okay, so let me see what else we can find in here. Let me click more. Okay, we have paints, we have kits, we have Crayola, giant something. This is a very small amount, but guys, this adds up. It really doesn't matter. But I'm a guy who prefer to go with $4 or $5 at least in a profit. But the point is, we need to post a lot of products, and if it's just a small fees, Amazon let you do that. Let me see. What else I can see? Something that is being approved in the category. All right, what do we have here? That is computer category. Right now our software is taking a lot of system from camera and computers. For example, guys, Tide for selling Tide, you need to have a specific permission from Tide. It's not that difficult. There are some ways, some sneaky but legal ways to do this. Okay, all right, for example, this is the one. I think I have tested this one. Let's list this one. It's called Kennel Master Folding. Let me click on view details. All right, so here it says if we list it on $40, then we're gonna make an $11 profit on each sale. But let's first check it out. I have actually posted this item, but I'm gonna show you once more. Let me close the listings. Okay, here we go. This is called a Kennel Master something folding crate with divider. This is one of the product on Amazon.com. If you click on the Walmart link, let's see how much we have it on for more. We have it for 34.26 and free shipping on orders 35, so it will be having some shipping charge. I think it is somewhere around $3, so that would come to around $38 with shipping. Okay, and on Amazon, if you click on see on all buying opportunities, okay, I have already listed it there. This is my account that I was showing you. Top 3 sellers, they're selling it for 51, 52, 57, competing very tight, very tough. We don't need to do that because we still have a scope. Now, one of you could simply jump to this product and list it for, let's say, $88 or even $89. So it will simply outrank me. It's gonna push me down and I am not going to get any views about it, and you will win one of the position in top 4 buy boxes. Now the question is, if this is going to happen, then what if like there are hundreds and thousands of sellers that are going to do this? Then every time there is a probability that the product, one of your product listing that is in top 4 of the buy button, loses its ranking. But guys, in reality, this doesn't happen. Very few people, because on Amazon there are typical sellers who simply buy, either they manufacture or they buy from China or they make their own product. The arbitrage thing is very new opportunity, and because there are like millions of products on Amazon and Walmart, there are thousands of opportunities popping up every day and night. All right, that's why in our software we have an option called refresh. It's called check arbitrage. When you click on check arbitrage, then it automatically try to find a specific, if there is any kind of changes in the price on Amazon and Walmart. If there's a changes, then it's gonna reflect it. This way you don't need to get confused about it. The arbitrage opportunity that you see will exist here in real time. All right, so let's see. Okay, nothing changes, everything is cool, and we are still going to make a lot of money. I am sure your understanding is right. How? Because as my product here is 89.95, it will get a even display of impression when someone searches for this product, and it is going to beat with these prices. But again, buyer would never know these prices unless he's gonna click on see all buying option. All right, this doesn't happen every time. So this is another feature of the software, and furthermore, you can, of course, you can search by a specific product and category. For example, let's say we can find maybe books. I think we are working on this feature. I'm not sure about it yet. Oh, we can see. If you can search by books, you can see all the books, book, and even the Chromebook. But my typical way of doing it is simply click on arbitrage and enjoy the opportunities here. Over the time, when you're going to learn this software, you're going to get used to of it more and more, and then you can use the find custom arbitrage option. What is find custom? Once again, all you need to do is paste a Walmart URL of any product here, and it is going to let you know if there is an arbitrage opportunity on Amazon or not. And if there is an opportunity, then how much profit are you going to make? So this way you can actually use anyone. See, another purpose of creating this kind of software is it doesn't need your dedicated attention. All right, this is so easy to use that anyone in your family, or you can hire a virtual assistant, or you can hire anyone and just let them know that these are the opportunity and show them how they can post product on Amazon, which is very easy. All right, and they can, and you just forget about it. They are going to do all the work for hours and hours, and you are going to make profit from their efforts, right? I know someone in the beta group. We were testing this software. So currently he's in a job. He liked the software and all, but he don't wanted to leave his job. So what he did is he simply teach the whole process to his wife, and now she spent 1 or 2 hours. She's like addicted to the whole thing, that she keep on finding new opportunities. And currently I think her store have around 600 items of arbitrage, and they're selling 10 to 15 items every day, right? Now the question is, how you gonna make the maximum amount of money from the whole process? Because although you have listed the product on Amazon.com and you have a nice margin in between, but what if the item on Amazon doesn't sell? So there are 2 simple ways. First, you are going to list a lot of product, or you're going to outsource the process, number 1. Second, we are going to add a module in the software where you can post the product in few clicks to your Amazon seller account. You don't even need to log into your Amazon account. You can simply transfer the product from the software, from the AMZitrage software, to your Amazon account directly. All right. Furthermore, what we need to add here is more of a training videos which are under processing. So the point of launching the software is because we are looking for a tight group of beta users. So this best group is possible from my own list, from the people like you who know me, who know I have delivered a very nice product called the Breed Business in the past. So this is something that you are going to love. All right. So again, this is a beta opportunity, not available for everyone else. And the best part, the price I'm going to show you. Guys, can you see that the total opportunity right now is 58,246, and our software I'm sorry, our software update this price once every day. So on an average, at least $2,000 of worth of opportunities are added every day. And if your Amazon account is little old, then you can list unlimited products in Amazon for the fees of $40, $39.95 a month. That is all the expense you need to pay. And if you don't want to do it yourself, then maybe hire a virtual assistant from Philippines or India, and you know that they're pretty cheap. So pay them by hours, pay them by target, and let them do it. Just give them the access and let them do it for you. So you don't need to actively involve there. Just teach them how to list the product and what to do once they get a sale. Okay, we will be having a tutorial video right under the arbitrage section, so you can show them this video and let them handle that. All right, so this is going to be 100% passive income for you, and you don't need to store anything. You don't need to worry about any part of the business, because it's totally automated and hands-free. So I hope you understand the power of this software. You can do it manually by simply going to Walmart.com and check the particular product. Now guys, I have promised you that you can do it manually too. So how you can do it manually? It's pretty simple. For example, this product, if you wanted to see if this product is available on Amazon.com or not without the use of software, then all you need to do is you need to click on the Mac, you can click on View, Developer, and View Source. All right, and this is the code, and here you can press Command F and type UPC and find the UPC code. Okay, I'll show you. This is the UPC. UPC stands for unique product code. So every item in the world have a UPC code, and it is all same in all the website, in all the local stores worldwide. All right, this specific number, for example 80175818249, represent this item. So if you copy this number and go to Amazon.com, go to the search bar and you paste this number here, click on enter, it is going to show you the product. So this way you can manually verify the product from Walmart to Amazon and see if there is a price difference, and there is an option to earn a nice center income, a nice retail income from the difference of prices between both the websites. All right, this is the only problem is, you need to do it for each and every product, and what if you don't find an arbitrage opportunity in 20 or 30 products? So you're going to get a demotivated. So the purpose of creating this software, guys, the coding of this software is not easy, because we are getting a lot of data from Walmart. So Walmart, because it's an automated scrapping, it tried to stop it, but we have an amazing developers. They bypass that and make sure we get the maximum opportunity here. Same way we compare the price to Amazon automatically. Again, Amazon try to filter it out, the automated searches, because Amazon is a big company, they can do that, but we have an amazing mechanism. We even have a manual team, so software is working on one side, and one of our team in India, a team of 25 people, they're working on our side and manually scrapping it for you. So we are going to make sure that you have enough opportunity available every time. All right, so this is probably the complete video on how you can earn a nice regular income using Amazon and Walmart and AMZitrage software. Your total investment for this particular part is only $40 per month for Amazon, and of course the cost of the product that you're going to buy, and you're going to buy only once you have already sold that product on Amazon.com. So you don't have, you have nothing to lose. All right, this is a pure win-win system for you. So now let's get back to our slides. I hope you got the system. Now the question is price. Guys, considering the possibility of the software, as I understand, once you have the access of it, then like any smart businessman, first of all, you are going to test it yourself for a few days maybe, and then you're going to hire a cheap VA from any of the developing nations like India or Philippines. I'm an Indian myself, so I know the labor is comparatively cheaper. So maybe an Indian or Filipino or maybe from other developing nation, so which is going to cost you nothing, and they're going to do all the job for you. It's like running a small company virtually and creating an amazing Amazon store, Amazon business, and maintaining those sales, earning a small profit in each transaction. So That's why it's not possible to offer this software to the masses, because this way the opportunities our software and our manual team is finding would be, could end very soon. So we don't want that until unless we have like at least maybe 1 million opportunities in the software. Right now we have thousands, so we don't want them to be exploited right away. So the pricing structure of the complex software and the services is created on that basis. Now this is the official launch price, not the today's price. Okay, because today I'm going to show you the pre-launch price. That means it is a kind of reward for a fast action taker. Okay, so official launch price, our software is launching on 20th of June, of course this month only, in next 11 or 12 days. All right, so you have a right time to grab it before anyone else, to make sure you have the access of it. So AMZitrage VIP access normal price would be 2497 and $97 per month. Now we need to have a small monthly fees every month because of the work that there is a team sitting there who are doing a manual labor for you, who are gaining those opportunities, verifying those ARG that our software cannot, because of course from Amazon and Walmart there is certain limitations of running the software. So I would say around 75% of the work is done by the software, and 25% of the work of validating all the data is done by a manual team. So we need to charge a small fees of $97 per MO and $2497 one time. But again, you don't need to pay this price today. Today, the official pre-launch price for the beta software of AMZitrage, the public release date is 28th June, and right now you can grab it at $1997. That is $500 cheaper if you're going to book today. All right, and even the monthly fee is $67 per MO, not the $97 per MO. So this is again a huge monthly saving, and a software where you can see the money right now in front of you. All right, this is like nothing hidden. Everything is in front of you. You can see how you're going to make money out of it. It's a simple calculative software, but something that you need access of. And the good news is, if you're already an existing TBB member, TBB is the Breed Business member. If you're already a member, if you're already my gold or platinum plan member, then whenever I release something, I offer something special for my existing members, because they have already trusted me with their money and I have delivered my best. And I always make sure that my existing member get the most of the benefits. So if you're not the TBB member, then you can get the AMZitrage VIP suite for $1997 and $67 per MO. Still, you're gonna save $500 from the public release date. But if you are an existing member, then you are going to get it for $1497. That is $1,000 flat off, even on the pre-launch price, and your monthly would be $37 per month only, not $67, not $97. A pure win-win deal. But if you're not the Breed Business member and you want to have a nice combo deal where you can enjoy the Breed Business access and AMZitrage software, then you can go ahead with our VIP combo plan, under which you need to pay one-time payment of $3494. Now guys, if you're gonna buy the Breed Business Platinum and the AMZitrage VIP access, then the total price, typical price, would be $2497 plus $1997, which is somewhere around $4497. That is almost $4,500. But if you want the combo offer of the Breed Business Platinum membership and AMZitrage lifetime access, then you can still save $1,000 on the combo offer and get both of the products for $3494 and only $37 per MO. All right, this is a very limited combo and available for the non-TBB members, the one who are interested in the Breed Business Platinum, and they're gonna enjoy the AMZitrage. Like, one business is ready-made for you, another one is something we're going to make for you. It's like a total win-win combo. Okay, so once again, the price that we're going to launch is $2497 after 28th. Current price, if you're not the Breed Business member, is $1997 plus $67 per MO, still saving $500. All right, if you are already a TBB member, it's only $1497 for you plus $37 per MO, flat $1,000 off offer. And if you want both the Breed Business Platinum membership and AMZitrage lifetime access of AMZitrage VIP suite, then it's $3497 plus $37 per MO, still saving $1,000 on both the plans. Super win-win deal if you're not the TBB member yet. So what's next? Simple. you can see the three options down under, which would be available by now, I guess. If not, you can mail me, and you can choose between AMZitrage regular. That means if you're not the Breed Business member, you need to choose this option. For the Breed Business member, make sure you choose the AMZitrage for TBB member option. And if you want both of the software, that is the Breed Business Platinum and AMZitrage VIP combo, then you need to choose the third option and enjoy $1,000 off. Make sure once payment is completed, let me know personally at vip@thebreedbusiness.com. This is my personal email. If you have a question about the software, if you have anything you need to know, feel free to hit me at vip@thebreedbusiness.com. So guys, this is all in this presentation. As I promised you, I am going to show you something that is working right now. No bluff, no fluff. This is an opportunity. If you don't want the software, no problem. Just make sure you follow the system that I have shown you of finding the ARBs. And if you have it, you can enjoy it. And one more thing, guys, you can actually filter the whole thing with the product price range. For example, you don't need to buy $100 product. You can only filter it for $10 to $20 products, you know. Something you are looking for a product range of $10 to $20. So there are many filters here. You can sort it by relevance, arbitrage, you know, highest money possible, Amazon price, Walmart price, up to many things. And we are keep on adding it. So if you're gonna buy it now as a beta member, then we are going to have a closed group of members who can test the software before we release it to world, and at the same time enjoy an amazing new price. Once again, guys, the software, once you purchase it, is going to be available to you on 20th. Okay, it's not the instant access. On 20th June you will receive the access of the product. However, you can lock in your price today for the same. For any questions, make sure, feel free, you can contact me for anything you want. Okay, I'm always available. And once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining me in this webinar. Have a great day again. Bye bye.